What's up, y'all? It's poppin', what's cracking? Is D about to react to this Kai vid. It's titled "Blowing Down the AMP House" live. So the firework war has started, just like I predicted. It would 1000% be a thing because they bought all that damn ammo. There was no way they were not going to set those fireworks off in their house, in this beautiful, beautiful house. They are crazy and definitely stupid. But yes, let's watch the shenanigans.
What we doing, bro? Like, I'm waiting for songs. I'm waiting now, but what we doing? For the L, like, what we doing? Because we can handle, we could do, we could violate, right? Sparky, you Sparky, you fucking for Davis. Hey, wait, hold on, wait. You fucking for Davis. If your heart really begin to give me Sparky, no, wait. If your heart beat like Sparky right there, if your heart Sparky right there. Wait, hold on. Yo, get out. Can I get out? We're gonna do that.
Who are these people?
If you get out!
Oh.
If you get out!
In your room? Oh, you stupid. What? These niggas is so dumb. But that's in your own room.
So Davis, what's the word, bro?
You blew up your own room, stupido.
Yeah, respect.
What?
We both did things we shouldn't have done, but
I know you fucking
I started. So
Click this, bro, please.
Click this piece.
Click this
Piece.
Oh my gosh.
W more, man. Alright, chat.
You signed a peace treaty?
Feel me? You fought admirably. Look, bro. Thank you for holding it down. I know it's very tempting. Sorry for shooting you. Glad you signed.
These niggas so dramatic.
Great work, agency. Fantastic. Bro, you guys are all good.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all know the only nigga that can just do this for real. Y'all know the nigga in this crib that can really do this for real. These right here, bro, that wasn't even a war. That was an argument.
Chat, man. We made history today. Feel me? Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much for joining me here today. July 4th festivities.
God.
RPG, I believe it's been 2 hours to stopping. So we would have been in for 3 days.
2 hours? Oh, 3 days.
I was like, we might have to turn EBK, bro.
You wanna get it on?
But I'm waiting for it to be 8. Like, I want it to be kind of dark in this motherfucker.
Too early.
I don't know, we low-key could team up and just third party.
Who is gonna clean this up?
Yo, dude, these
Smoked out.
yeah, I had built my own fire with this stuff. Bro, these stop it after 2 hours, dude.
Bro, I told you they want no shit. They ain't no. Bro, come on, man. Come on.
As they should. Let it go.
We're from private school.
We're trying to keep it
Us
going.
3 versus them 3.
Look, all
It's
those
not fair,
lighters.
bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna crash out though. If you want to crash out, I'm willing to crash out. I'm dead at boy. Do this. Hey, I'm EBK, bro. So just wanted to up it. I wanted to up it, bro.
These niggas are disturbed in the head, mentally.
I did so weird. I feel right there. I think it's hit up. Who are you shooting at? Oh, such your pussy. You ended so early, bro. Don't call me a pussy. You pussy, bro. You talking to me? Yes.
Cause he want peace?
Let me come down there and talk to you. Man.
Who is screaming like that? Is that friend?
Oh.
Y'all are ghetto. If I was their neighbors, I would be annoyed.
Oh, that's just... Don't shoot them. I put the whole...
I'm surprised the police don't come here.
Oh, you quit, bro. I'm disappointed in you, bro.
Because there's one thing to like fire truckers outside, but if you're doing it in the house and the neighbors see it, well, I don't know if they're that close enough. If they're close enough for their neighbors to know they're doing it in the house.
Stop touching, bro. You touching. Stop touching. Yeah, I'm good. I know I'm good. Yo, Chris, come
Why
on.
are you running? He's Nigerian, right? It's my Davis. I think Davis is Nigerian. I might have made that up though.
This is right by my room. How am I gonna leave my room? If you do, I'm crashing out. You're good though. You'll be good. We're good. Me personally, if you do that, I'm crashing out. Don't do that. Thank you. We're good. What you back? I'm going to the bathroom.
Cap.
Sam has to leave the situation. Oh my God. Yo, Ali, come up.
I'm gone. Where you at? I don't know who's doing what, bro. Who's that? Yo, watch out, bro.
It's beautiful.
Oh, shit.
Oh my goodness. Y'all are so stupid.
What the fuck?
Hold on, that's in my shot any second. So
Well, y'all here.
I cannot believe them.
somebody set up a bomb.
Hey, y'all niggas get the fuck out my house.
Get the fuck out the house. Get the fuck out the house.
All y'all niggas on the AP number did that.
Yo, be honest. Who did that up? Who did?
God is so fake. Who did that?
We think you're gonna open that door without the Watch out!
No, Fanum, you gangsters know that shit. No, I'm in the Duke room. We got nothing to put in the fireworks. He was not, bro, because the glowing it road, the whole So, wait, hold on. What about that?
I'm the toughest nigga when it comes to that shit, bro.
And it's a pride bomb, too.
Yo! Kai, have you lost your fucking mind? I'm going up! 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 I'm going up!
This is a crackhead.
I'm going up! I'm going up! I'm going up! You won't do that shit. You won't.
What? And now you want to look scared. Stupido. I know you fucking lying. This is worse than last year. I feel like.
Don't keep blowing.
And
Oh my
the fucking smoke alarm going crazy. The fire alarm, smoke detector. Look at this. They are so dumb. Why would y'all ruin this house like this? The money they're gonna have to spend to fix all this shit and to have this place cleaned.
Yo, we gotta move out.
Is it even worth it? I know y'all getting views from this, but is it worth it? And y'all house been fucking. What did I do?
How we gonna get
You know what the fuck you did.
What did I do? Yo, I should say.
Bro, what did I do, bro?
I'm going out.
Yo, look at the fear in their eyes.
Look, he lying. Scared.
How you put your hand below
I would hate to live in this house. I hope they got backup houses that they go to retreat. Because who wants to live in madness like this all the time? If I would do, I would rent an apartment nearby or some shit. Somewhere I could just go to escape this. I really hope they do that. I hope some of them and not him just right by it. That's a demon leprechaun. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. And that was offense. Or sorry, defense. This is offense behavior. Nobody is even.
I give myself a little escape.
Nobody's even trying to attack y'all. Y'all just doing this to be.
Yeah, don't hit me to. There you go, straight up. That's better than breaking glass. I'm not gonna cap.
Excuse me.
Hey, close that.
Just wow.
Before we let this bitch off, take a look around for the niggas that was talking shit all year long, bro. Hey, look.
It's like a football outside. As they should be.
You signed a peace treaty.
They was calling that a peace treaty. I'm so stupid. If he already lost, why are you continuing?
Don't say anything.
Oh, is something on fire?
Fire!
This is so dumb. Oh my goodness.
That, if you good? I see my body, right?
Shut up.
Nobody got energy, bro. Nobody got energy, bro. There we go.
Just wow.
That works, bro. So this works, right? Gotta be a quick one. Watch out!
Don't put your face close to it.
Stupid.
Who's this?
I'm appalled.
Oh, it's already going on.
It did not work.
I want to see what else they destroy. Then I'm gonna go to sleep after the video. I'm so sorry.
My brother. Oh my God, this was perfect. How? Yeah, like nobody wanna fight, bro. From like Rick, I told you. It like these niggas just wanna Rick, bro. But it's alright though. Just look. Hey, your shit, babe, hold on. Wait, let me see your shit. I look at my shit. Wait, bro. Wait, Chad, you good? Yo, chat. See you soon, chat. Niggas is stopping and signing peace treaties. That's great. Since when we had peace treaties in here?
I thought you.
Nah, he did his thing though.
I thought you
He did his thing
only.
though. I think he went all the way there. He did his thing though. He had the big bombs. He dropped them early on. That shit was tough.
Y'all started all this shit.
Then we came in. Bow, 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 bow. They couldn't get over to
Fanum is so good.
When the security system, like, I thought the police. I got scared. I got scared. I was for the police.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. These niggas got on nothing, bro.
No, they ain't no shit.
Nah, Davis got a big storm. He lost that by a mile, about 5 miles, bro. He lost that. He got his wound blown up.
Because they never wanted smoke. Y'all were the only ones who wanted smoke.
Yes.
How are you surprised by that outcome? People talking about he pussy in the
He didn't
comments.
do that to his own. He did his own. That's how some violent shit.
That's straight.
I'm trying to doctor this shit, bro.
Oh my god.
I thought, like, I ain't gonna lie. I
Oh,
thought
so
like,
dramatic.
we was gonna throw some shit at Davis and Asian, and they was gonna bounce back,
They did not.
and then like it was gonna turn to a free ball. That's what I thought.
That's what I thought too.
I thought it was gonna turn to a free ball, but y'all niggas.
My nigga, peace treaty. Yes, you knew that PT.
Bro,
How you making fun of a nigga who want peace?
Y'all crash outs and y'all niggas blew the podcast set, even though we supposed to film our first podcast tomorrow.
Oh,
I know y'all niggas been taken to the ground, but I fucked up this girl and I fucked up this room. Ain't nothing else for me to do.
Period.
You lost.
You said I lost by one.
They blew up their room where they were supposed to do a podcast. So now the content is
You care what the
delayed.
world thinks? You gonna
Congrats.
bro. I'm not looking at it.
Being stupid.
That's not how losing works, nigga.
Alright, bro. That's how you feel.
If you lose to a nigga,
He crashed it out.
Hold on. If you lose to somebody playing basketball, game 21, you got 17 scores, they won. You think
That's
you
not
won?
what happened, though, gang. That's not what happened.
That's what just happened.
That's not what happened.
Davis, I watched the whole thing. You lost, gang.
At the end of the day,
You lost.
at the end of the day,
And look, I want to tell you something,
what
bro.
does that do with you?
I want to tell you something, bro. Next year, I don't want to hear your mouth.
Hey, nah. Hey, look, we only on your ass like this, nigga.
You signed a peace treaty. You signed a peace treaty.
Done. Hey, done. Hey, nah, when I got out, we was like, nah, niggas going crazy. Oh, shit. Well, we finished, nigga.
Oh, but you went crazy.
You finished.
One play, you stopped.
Who started?
You basically sounded pleaded. Asked me. You basically said yes, man.
Oh, y'all niggas not listening to what I'm saying. Y'all niggas got y'all.
Did David start it?
Go ahead. Okay. He blew up my room. I blew up his room, and I fucked up his garden.
That's bad.
How the fuck?
Oh, it sounded like Car started. He said he blew it
Jake,
up.
count your shit.
Huh?
Jake, count your shit.
Okay. That's all I'm running. That is the thing.
That is the most.
Thank you.
Y'all niggas,
you made a decision. Niggas made a decision. I'm not gonna lie to you.
This war,
Next year.
is killing me.
I don't really hear you talking.
Hey, I'm chilling, gang.
You're playing referee.
I'm chilling. You should be playing alone. Why are you blowing up? For what reason? Why are you shooting?
Because I want to. That's
What was the reason?
Are you gonna do anything about it, sir? Damn.
Well, stop being fake and acting like you was just doing it for defense.
Damn.
Just say, I'm a menace.
Oh, go and just go as far
I'm
as you can.
disappointed in you because you had the chance. I have 100.
I have a million. Get up.
No, yeah, you did, but you. I
If you look at it, no, look, what I said. I said,
Yeah, I know.
hey, look,
First
rules out on agent. We chose agent. I said, well, you know what? David got a lot to prove. Well, I ain't gonna lie, you let me down.
I thought you let me
Boy, you
down.
let me down, boy.
Should I let you down?
Yeah, you let me down.
Boy, you let me down, boy.
That's how we get down.
Nah, bro. You a nigga from the A, though. From the A, bro.
Y'all niggas gonna make a peace treaty that another nigga asks, yo, can we have peace?
You a nigga. Who's that? Who's that? Cankles, bro. Yo, Cank, we gonna tie you to a chair and blow your ass up. I don't know why he playing with us. Yo, look
The niggas gonna make it seem like another nigga asking me, yo, let's stop doing war. The house keeps catching on fire. And niggas gonna act like me
be for real. You don't got no powers.
I do. I can show them to you, gang. I can show them to you. You want me to, alright? Want me to?
Nah, alright.
Make sure.
But, Davis.
I just making sure, bro. You good, bro?
GG's for you, bro.
Okay.
You lost, gang.
Once again, as your fan, I respect how you feel, my boy.
You put this piece, I want yes or no, bro. Alright, so be quiet, bro. Go do your laundry, bro. CT.
Look at that wall, bro.
Stop clutching. Stop clutching.
You talking crazy.
Do it! Do it!
You talk crazy like I won't believe
PT!
You can't call it.
PT!
You can't sign a peace treaty and then keep
PT!
up with the violence.
PT!
David, not for you.
I ain't gonna lie. He took my fucking hearing out. Oh, he took my hearing out.
As you deserve.
No!
Because you're stupid. All y'all are stupid.
No! I took my fucking hearing out.
Look at this door. Oh my god, this is a mess.
Oh, my setup.
Yeah, what if his setup is fucked up?
Somebody check it. Check the front. Fire. You fucked up though.
Look at the stairs. Oh my goodness.
I fucked up, bro.
This hurts my heart because this house is so nice. Bunch of
I fucked
idiots. You idiots.
Don't write it. You can't say nothing right now.
Why not?
Because you signed a treaty.
You're right. I'm pussy as fuck. Never mind.
You should have just walked away. But that first.
Oh, he lying some shit. You better get out of here. Oh, we live.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm straight.
I ain't gonna do that, bro.
No, you straight. You good.
You good?
Good. Was he good?
He's good. Yo, I swear to God, Chris, what am I allowed me to do that, bro?
What did he do?
I was thinking to run this way
You're good.
or that way. Fuck! I swear to God, did not mean to do that, bro.
How the fuck did I get up this?
Look what the nigga at you.
I know you fucking lying.
It probably look like I pushed you. Jay, it probably look like I pushed this nigga.
It was like we met at the middle, but I don't want to push you. Because if I push you, was going to be over there.
But you trying to go
I'm trying to go out.
Okay, so this lit right here, but I seen something over here. So I'm like, bro, which way do I fucking go?
You should have saw what he was doing though. It was clear as day. I'm about to light your ass up. It was like bullet holes.
Sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Every week with everything in the night sky. It's like shooting stars.
I can use a wish. I'm so sleepy. It's 12:30. I'll close this stop before you but I'm still recording. I feel asleep.
Oh, he's going to quick.
Shit. They won't stop until the house is burned down. Like, that's what it's giving. It's like they are trying to burn this house down.
What's good? What's good? You're coming on hot shit. You know what's next. Oh, you know. All right, come on. I keep doing that shit. Look at you. You know what's next.
I would dip so fast.
You know what's next, Davis.
Get the fuck up out of here.
Yeah.
Let us go.
Yeah, you know what's next. Don't worry about that.
I'll go down.
I'm having an amazing time. Where's my dad?
Word, let's have you better time.
I'm having a blast. Where's my dad? I'm having a blast.
You say you go get a sleep there, right?
Hell yeah.
I need to make sure you can't sleep
Yeah,
there.
yeah, watch
So
out.
you like me though, right?
Oh, bro, watch out,
I'll
bro.
make sure you can't sleep there.
Watch
So
out, man.
I'm trying to get like me so you can't sleep
No,
there.
don't go there.
Don't go there?
What? Yo, Davis, I'm warning you right now.
Warn me what?
My New York flight is booked.
The New York flight?
Yes.
What does that mean?
What's that mean?
It is booked.
So you're gonna take this bitch down, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, he's saying he's getting up out of there, so he don't care what happens.
I'm having a good time, though, champ.
All right.
I just need to make sure.
I said peace
I'm
out.
not-
If you got this to do, go re-ammo up at 8 o'clock. I'll see you. Yeah, I'll see you at 8. That's about it.
I just need to make sure you're not sleeping there. I can't sleep there.
All right.
Okay. What's that nigga dumbass nigga?
What are you doing? What?
How much your bed on fire? Move, girl, let your ass on fire.
Davis, I'm telling you.
Let your ass on fire. Move, God, like your
In your
bed on
room.
fire.
I got some shit. I got some better shit for
All
that.
right. Oh, I can't. You're fucking lucky.
I'm about to throw that bitch at your glass, nigga.
Word.
I'm about to give you a permanent, real open concept.
Glass?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, good shit though, gang. Yeah, gang. There you go. No. Good though. Yeah. What?
Bunch of idiots. They all are. Every last one of them. How stupid this beautiful, beautiful house. Y'all are so dumb. This is way worse than last year. From what I recall, they did not do nearly as much damage. Sorry, I'm tired of Billy talk. They didn't do nearly as much damage last year as they did this year. What in the fuck? And I knew it. I said it. I called it. I'm like, ain't no fucking way. Oh my God, there's a spider on the wall. Ain't no fucking way. This is why I don't fuck with Airbnbs like that. The hotels, I never see anything. Hold it. You know, be fucked up. You will not follow me in my sleep, bitch. I knew that they were gonna be on some bullshit. Because I'm like, ain't no way they bought all these fireworks just in case, just for defense. No, they bought these fireworks fully intending to use them no matter the circumstances, no matter what happens. And that's what they did. Was I entertained though? Absolutely. I'm always entertained by the fuck shit. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. Let me know what other videos you want to watch and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.